Alright guys, so today I'm just gonna do a real simple video. I got this fan for 10 bucks at an antique shop, and it does run. I'm not exactly 100% sure the name of it or the year of it. I believe it's really probably maybe late 80s, I'm guessing. Don't quote me on that. I don't know much about ceiling fans, but anyway, super short. This was a brown fan. Me and my son decided to paint it red and black, and so my son wanted to paint it red, and I wanted to paint it black. So we painted it together, and we made it red and black. So I'm gonna fire it up. It's only one speed. It's hooked to an extension cord. So the controllers I was not able to get for it, but let's watch it go. And this thing moves a ton of air. It is amazing. It is a 36-inch, I believe. And like I said, it runs magnificent. I know some of you guys like to see the spin down of ceiling fans. Some of the guys that are more into ceiling fans as like a hobby, I didn't know it was that popular until I kind of cruised YouTube and found out that there's a lot of people that do ceiling fan videos, so I figured, well, why not? I'll do one too. So here you go. Here's your spin down that everybody likes to see. As you can tell, it takes a while for it to slow down. It's got pretty good bearings, so I don't think it's been used a lot. I haven't done anything to it other than paint it and hang it up. Other than that, it runs. There you go. Enjoy.